If you struggle to break out of this pentatonic box, today's lesson is for you. Or if you've heard of a triad and you kind of understand what an arpeggio is, but not really, and you definitely don't know how to use it in a musical way, or if you do use it in a musical way, it's totally by accident, and you really want a system for understanding how to play more musically, today's lesson is for you. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Alec Lehrman. I played on Grammy-nominated records, and I've played with A-list artists from Jonathan McReynolds to Aloe Blacc to BTS to Anderson Paak, Meghan Trainor, Chainsmokers, and I've taught thousands of guitar students this lesson I'm going to teach you here today. If you want a deeper dive on this subject, there is a course waiting for you in the description. It's called the Fretboard Breakthrough, and it goes over everything you would need to solo over chord changes. Today's lesson will go as follows. I'm going to play over a backing track to demonstrate what you're going to learn today. And then the second part of this lesson is implementing the simple and easy steps to play more musically and to stop holding yourself back, especially when you're soloing over chord changes. So today you will be working in this E major box shape. It's a pentatonic box shape that looks and sounds like this. If you're unfamiliar what a major box shape is, it's the exact same as a C sharp minor pentatonic. It's the exact same notes. Now, the whole goal of today is to get you to solo over chord changes and to stop holding yourself back from just mindlessly playing this pentatonic scale. So now I want you to have your guitar in your hand. I'm going to pull up the backing track, and we're going to go through the exact thought process to get you playing like a pro. So the first thing we're going to do is listen to the song. We're not even going to place our hand on the guitar. We're going to listen to it. A lot of guitar players just try to find the key and try to start playing right away without listening. That's going to hurt you in the long run. All right, so the chords here are E, followed by an A. We're still listening. Next is an E, okay, and then followed by a B. So in order to play better, you're just gonna play triads. That's it. And the idea is you are outlining the chords. So the chords going by are E, so you're playing an E triad, and the next chord is an A, so you play an A triad. Then the next chord is an E, so you're playing an E triad. The final chord is a B, so you play a B triad. And then, what you want to do, the analogy would be, is you are baking your soloing cake with the triads, and the sprinkles on top are the pentatonics. A lot of people bake their entire cake with the pentatonics, and that's how you get a really bad solo. So what I mean by that is that you can play these triads and then play like that a little bit of the pentatonic scale. See how I added just a little bit of the pentatonic scale? The idea is that you are really playing what is happening in the chord progression rather than just generic outline. That doesn't sound very good. It sounds much more precise. And and it sounds much more engaging, not only to yourself and the listener, to play the actual chords that are happening in the chord progression. I can't tell you how many guitar players come to me and say, hey, I don't know what to do. I'm just stuck in this box shape. If you're like many guitar players, this lesson will be an absolute game changer. The key is you don't have to do much to sound great. Remember, bake your cake with the triads. The sprinkles on top is the pentatonic scale. So if you want a deeper dive on this subject matter, I have a course called the Fretboard Breakthrough. Goes over all this stuff and way more. You can check it out in the description below. Now that you understand chord changes like this, you're going to want to expand your knowledge and play up here in the higher part of the fretboard. So for learning that, you're going to want to check out this video.